Not everyone buys a given product or class of products for the same reasons. There are usually various distinct segments of buyers looking to buy any given product, and each segment has a different reason. While one group of buyers may be looking only at the price, another group may be looking for some particular feature, and yet another may be looking to solve some problem they currently have. It's the same with mattresses as well. While one set of people may be looking to buy a mattress for less than $100 or $200, another may be looking for a particular size that's suitable for their small apartment, and another group of buyers may be looking for a new mattress for better lumbar support. And yet another may have recently seen some ad on TV and may want to buy a new mattress that was featured in the ad because it looks very good. In any niche, you would always want to do some research to figure out what problems people are trying to solve. People who are looking to solve pressing problems are motivated buyers. If your website can help them make the right decision by providing high quality, relevant information, then you will easily get the sales. Let's see how to know what problems people are trying to solve when they buy a mattress. Let's head over to SEMrush and enter mattresses in this text box here. Now choose SEO keyword magic from this drop-down menu. Click on search. We now see a huge list of thousands of keywords related to mattresses. We will now need to find phrases that contain words like pain, clean, repair, problem, how, and any other similar word you can think of. Phrases that include these words are usually only searched for by people trying to solve a problem. Let's start with the word pain. Enter the word in the text box under Include Keywords. And you will see a list of keyword phrases related to mattresses that contain the word pain in them. There are a lot of these keywords. We'll export the list as a CSV file. Now we can repeat the same process for other words like clean, repair, how, change, and so on. We will see how to use these lists later.